Worried about the WER Kernel DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before we get into the manual guide for WER Kernel, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the WER Kernel, an extension API Set Shim for the Windows Error Reporting WER kernel. It redirects unmanaged crash data signals and memory dump requests from hardware-level drivers to the core WER service, mandatory for kernel-level bug check analysis. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as WER kernel. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the WER kernel file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of WER Kernel DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing WER kernel and maintaining system stability. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for WER kernel or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.